In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your business on Google using the Google Business Profile. Whether you're launching a brand new business or want to improve your current visibility, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in business.google.com/create. This will take you directly to the Google Business Profile homepage. Once you land on the page, your next step is to click on the Get Started button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will kick off the process of getting your business recognized on Google. After clicking on Get Started, you'll be prompted to sign in using a Google account. Make sure to log in with the Gmail account you wish to associate with your business. It could be your personal account or a dedicated business Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a page that asks for your business name. Type in your business name. If a drop-down menu appears, select Create a Business with this name, then press Continue to advance to the next stage. Now you're going to choose what kind of business you have from the available options on the screen. Simply check the appropriate tick box for your store type and click Next. If asked for a website, you have the option to enter it or skip this step if you don't currently have one. Just keep in mind that having your website linked can give customers more information about your business. The next crucial choice involves selecting a category for your business. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the category that best fits your business. For this tutorial, we'll use clothing store as an example. Once you've made your choice, click Next to proceed. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your business's contact details and address. Be sure to fill these in accurately so customers can reach you easily. After inputting those details, hit Continue. You'll then be guided to a section where Google may request additional verification of your details. If you're not ready, you can skip the verification step for now, but it's important to revisit and complete it later to ensure your business information becomes publicly visible. As you finish these setups, you'll be taken to your new business profile on Google. Here you have the freedom to customize, edit, and most importantly, verify every detail to fulfill Google's requirements. This not only maximizes your visibility, but also enhances your credibility with potential customers. So make sure to go through each section carefully and verify your information at your earliest convenience. Once everything is set up and verified, your business will officially be live on Google, ready to attract new customers. Remember, your business profile is the digital front door to your business, so keeping it accurate and updated is key. That concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new Google Business Profile.